I do think that probably it does raise concern in the minds of the public that the reopening happens so soon.
A Calgary daycare reopened Monday after it was recently ordered to close by AHS for violations, including but not limited to significant infestation of mice and cockroaches and overall unsanitary conditions. After a tip from the public, nearly 24 health code violations were identified at the Sun Valley Kids Academy and Montessori in Mission, southwest Calgary. AHS found mouse droppings around the building, including near children's toys, their sleeping area, and where the diapers are changed. The notice of closure said live and dead cockroaches were found in the kitchen food preparation areas, under the sink, and inside the refrigerator. Dead cockroaches were also observed in the kitchen cabinet and drawers.
I think it's difficult to have confidence in those facilities when you have incidents like this and the previous E. coli incident. I think parents naturally are going to be concerned, and hopefully this prompts them to be vigilant.
In a statement to City News, AHS says it only rescinds a closure order if all public health violations listed in the order have been corrected. It goes on to say the daycare operator was directed to complete numerous repairs and cleaning disinfection steps and to hire a pest control company to provide an initial assessment, treatments, and a plan for ongoing work. On February 9th, inspectors determined most of the work required to correct the violations had been completed. A spokesperson for the Health Minister's office says AHS has a robust inspection system and notes an expert panel is reviewing food safety issues at licensed daycares in response to last September's E. coli outbreak that sent 39 children to the hospital. But Hardcastle says more needs to be done.
Now that the light's been shone on the issue, public health officials and policymakers need to look at this issue and determine whether current standards and staffing levels and resourcing are really sufficient to ensure that children remain safe.
To fill the gap in the system, Hardcastle says whistleblowers and public reporting on these issues can be helpful. As of now, no reported illnesses connected to this daycare have been reported. City News reached out to Sun Valley Kids Academy and Montessori multiple times for a comment, but did not receive a response in time for broadcast. In Calgary, Silvia Naranjo, City News.